Hi, I'm Ted Nelson, and today I want to talk about cut and paste, what it meant before today's computers. Originally, cut and paste was the process of rewriting. My first salary job was at the New York Times as a copy boy. My first task in the morning was to fill the paste pots. The reporters would come in, type their stories, rearrange them, paste down the rearranged parts with writing in between, and say copy, and I would come and get the rewritten part and send it upstairs to typesetting in the pneumatic tube. So I was really devoted to this in the old days. Here is a cutting board I bought. Big. And here are sheets of paper I had made specially for large-scale rewriting. So imagine that this is a piece of writing, right? So I'm going to cut it. And we'll rearrange it now by stapling. And staple the third piece. And now I'll write something in between, you see? So this is how this is cut and paste as it meant in the old days. So why am I indignant about the changing of the meaning? Because there are no decent tools for rewriting on computers today. You have only a little tiny window. You can't deal with large manuscripts and moving big pieces around. And that is what we were able to do on paper back in the day. And these are the tools I did, including having huge paper cut for me at the factory. Thank you.